Yo, I don't even know how many days into confinement we are right now, but as you can see, I clearly don't give a fuck anymore. And it's the last Saturday of the month, and on the last Saturday of the month, what do? A Q&A, as you already knew, because I post so many stories about that. Today I'm gonna answer some of your questions that you asked on my Instagram. And remember last time I did that, like at the end of February, I did a Q&A and I did that nice thing of cropping your answers from Instagram and pasting them on top of the video. It would be like here. Yeah, that was so nice, right? I'm not fucking doing that anymore. I got way too many questions. I don't have that much time ahead of me to do that. So without further ado, like everybody fucking says, let's start. I'm gonna filter out some questions because they were just like, 5-star the Pokemon, Torchic, because it becomes Blaziken, which is one of my favorite Pokemon. Yeah, you've seen recently that I'm streaming Pokemon, so I'm a major Pokemon nerd, and I don't give a fuck if you don't like that. Not a question, but damn boy, you look good. I know. The best thing about Mauritius, the people. And if I could add something about the worst thing about Mauritius, also the people. Do you know how to pole dance? Well, depends on the pole, but I think I can manage. Is math related to science? Nice try, Katy Perry. The anime Bleach is returning next year. What are your thoughts about it? Couldn't give less of a fuck about that one. What do you do in life except for videos? Well, as you can see, I'm confined. Meme review. That's a weird question. Do you want me to do a meme review? I wouldn't mind doing one. I just need to find like a good subreddit, I guess. Are you a simp? Well, I'm definitely not a simp, but like when I see a queen, each movie deserves a sequel but never got one. No movie that didn't get a sequel deserves one, because it means that it got the perfect ending. Don't ruin stuff. My favorite movie of all time is Inception. I like how it ended. I don't want anything else from it. Favorite video game? Favorite at the moment, I would say Monster Hunter World. Definitely. Favorite as in the video game that got me into gaming and will always have a spot in my heart. Final Fantasy X. Tidus. And it's Tidus, not Tidus. But overall, favorite video game that made me feel all the feelings, Undertale. You should try it. It's not too expensive and you could also crack it. How do you spend the curfew apart from making videos? I eat a lot. Your zodiac. Aren't you too old to believe in that thing? Again, are you a simp? I mean, when I see a queen, sex with a guy or sex with a girl? Well, to be honest, not like I got a choice right now. Harry Potter. Yes, I'm a huge Harry Potter fan, but weirdly, and people are gonna hate me for that, I like the movies more than the books. Also, I think J.K. Rowling is a cunt. How did you, yes, you end up here doing this? What's your story? Huh? Why 2020? I have no clue, but I feel like 2020 is what 2012 tried to be. Enjoying confinement? Well, I'm usually not leaving my room anyway, so there's not much of a change for me. Have you ever read Lula, the Lollipop Fairy? No, and that sounds like a pedophile thing. Best life advice you can give? Well, I would say whatever happens, ask yourself, should you care that much? What do you do in life? What is your job? Well, obviously I sell stuff by looking good. Best judge report? I would say part 5, because I find myself more into Giorno. Because you know, I think we're very similar. Like on the outside we're very cold, but on the inside we are yelling. You love ASMR. I don't know what you mean by that. Should I love it? If one day you have to give a name to your fan base, what would it be? So I was talking with some of you and I think it would be the retards. What is it that you're missing the most during this lockdown? Well, it starts with a K and finishes with an Kentucky Fried Chicken. How long do you think we will remain in lockdown? My bet is on mid-May. Yeah, mid-May. Favorite beach in Mauritius? Do I look like someone who goes to beaches? How did all this meme and YouTube channel start? Well, I thought that I was very funny and that the world deserved to know it. So here we are. How are you dealing with these haters? I should stop touching my face. Well, actually, pretty well. I say it again. I don't care about them. It doesn't hurt me. It's very nice of you all to be like by my side and being like defending me and stuff, but I don't give a fuck about what they say. It's just fuel. Actually, I do care, because when we say that, I want to do it more. For example, this video is in English, a lot of people will hate that. I am yelling. How much of a retard are you? Well, since I want my fan base to be named the retards, I should be the king. Oh honey, you should see me in the crown. What will be the first thing you'll do after the lockdown? I think it rhymes with a K and Kentucky Fried Chicken. But that's about it for your questions. We're gonna do another Q&A next month if we're still alive, which I'm pretty sure we will be. Just do me a favor and stay home, stay safe. Take care of people around you. Yeah, that's pretty weird when I'm the one saying that. And keep on being retarded. I guess that's all I gotta say. But yeah, we're gonna get at least 2 more videos next week. And apart from these weekly videos, you're also getting a daily live stream every day. Yes, I'm really spoiling all of you. I'm way too kind to you retards. I'll see you soon and stay safe. Yo.